Hello all. Today let me explain you about journal and ledger. Double entry system of bookkeeping says that every transaction affects two accounts. There is a proper procedure for recording each financial transaction in this system called as accounting process. The process starts from journal followed by ledger, trial balance and final accounts. Today's class I am discussing about journal and ledger. Journal and ledger are the two pillars which create the base for preparing final accounts. Journal. In accounting, journal is the first and most basic of the books of accounts. It is a subsidiary daybook where monetary transactions are recorded for the first time whenever they arise. In this, the transactions are regularly recorded in an orderly manner so that they can be referred in future. It highlights the two accounts which are affected by the occurrence of the transaction, one of which is debited and the other is credited with an equal amount. A short note is given in support of each entry, which gives a brief description of the transaction known as narration. Next is ledger. Ledger is a principal book which comprises a set of accounts where the transactions are transferred from the journal. While posting entries in the ledger, individual accounts should be opened for each account. The format of ledger account is T-shaped having two sides, debit and credit. When the transaction is recorded on the debit side, the word to is added and credit side the word by used in the particular column along with the account name. At the end of the financial year, the ledger account is balanced. First, the totals of the two sides is determined. After that, you need to calculate the difference between the two sides. If the amount of the debit side is more than the credit side, then there is a debit balance. But if the credit side is more than debit side, then there is a credit balance. Suppose if an account has a debit balance, then you have to write by balance carried down and the credit side with the difference amount. In this way, both the sides will tally. Next is difference between journal and ledger. Journal is a subsidiary book, ledger is a principal book. Journal is also known as book of original entry, ledger is book of secondary entry. It has debit and credit columns, but ledger has debit and credit sides. In journal, narration is must, but ledger narration is not necessary. Journal need not to be balanced, but in ledger must be balanced. Thank you.